Here at Herbalist's Notebook, we explore all natural solutions to help you sleep better and longer. Today, we're bringing attention to how important sleep is to our general health. Many of us struggle with basic sleep problems, such as difficulties falling asleep or restless nights. Bringing melatonin, a hormone that occurs naturally and controls the way our bodies function. It's like the director of the sleep orchestra in our bodies. However, what if I told you that there are herbal substitutes that may interact with the rhythm of your body? Stay tuned as we go into the realm of passionflower and valerian, two organic sleep aids that could be the perfect lullaby for your sleepless nights. Understanding melatonin. Let's start with addressing the mystery around melatonin, which is a hormone that our bodies naturally create to promote sleep. Our sleep-wake cycle is largely regulated by melatonin, which aids in letting us know when it's time to relax. Our brains emit melatonin as the sun sets, indicating that it's time for bed. But other people seek comfort in melatonin pills, like a shortcut to sleep. The problem is that, although melatonin may help certain people, it's not a miracle cure and raises some questions. Overdosing may cause your body to get out of balance, and the long-term consequences are unknown. Let's investigate several natural substitutes that may be better to our sleeping bodies. Importance of natural alternatives. In recent decades, a growing number of individuals have shifted from using synthetic sleep aids like melatonin to natural alternatives. The increase in interest is a result of a shared desire for a healthier approach to well-being. Herbs like passionflower and valerian are popular natural sleep aids since they provide a pleasant, non-addictive remedy. These natural substitutes, in contrast to some synthetic counterparts, function in unison with the body's natural rhythms, encouraging a feeling of quietly that facilitates the transition into a sound sleep. Choosing natural versus synthetic means living a comprehensive lifestyle that honors the body's natural equilibrium, not simply when it comes to sleep. So let's investigate the advantages of these herbal substitutes and find the calming path to a restful night's sleep. Overview of passionflower and valerian. Introducing valerian and passionflower, two of nature's calming herbs that can provide a herbal hug for a restful night's sleep. For millennia, the mild herb valerian, with origins in classical Greece and Rome, has been used to calm people's thoughts. Even in the Middle Ages, people were aware of its relaxing qualities, which made it a beloved cure for sleepless nights. The colorful passionflower, which is regional to the Americas, has a rich cultural heritage. Native American tribes used it because they thought it would relieve spirits and promote peace. These time-tested natural substitutes provide a soft touch to assist you in relaxing and embracing restful sleep. Benefits of valerian. Valerian is a wonderful natural medication that is well known for its relaxing properties. It can significantly enhance the quality of sleep that you get. Valerian may shorten the time it takes to fall asleep and increase the amount of time spent sleeping overall, according to scientific research. After adding valerian to their nightly schedule, several users have reported feeling calmer and less nervous. The capacity of valerian to raise brain levels of GABA, a neurotransmitter that supports calmness, is thought to be responsible for these relaxing effects. Although each person's experience is unique, valerian is often considered a useful tool for getting a better, more peaceful sleep at night. Benefits of passionflower. Passionflower is a wonderful natural substitute for melatonin that promotes relaxation and better sleep. This lovely flower is a favorite among people looking for a restful night's sleep because of its well-known relaxing qualities. Research indicates that passionflower may have a beneficial effect on the brain's GABA levels, which are linked to calm. These results are supported by personal studies, as many people report feeling calmer and experiencing less anxiety after including passionflower into their nighttime routine. For individuals trying to relax and get a better night's sleep, this natural cure can be a gentle but helpful ally. Safety and precautions. Using valerian and passionflower for better sleep is typically safe, but it's vital to know a few things. Some people may get mild upset stomach or headaches when using valerian. After consuming passionflower, stay clear of sleepy activities like driving. To get on the safe side, consult your doctor before using these herbs if you are pregnant, nursing, or on any medications. Valerian and passionflower combine to create a safe and slumber-inducing experience when these easy safety measures are followed. Advice on including herbs in your daily routine. It's easy to incorporate passionflower and valerian into your regular routine. You can obtain valerian in a variety of forms such as tinctures, teas, and capsules. Starting with a low dose, perhaps 300 to 500 mg, an hour before bedtime is a standard advice. Adapt the dosage according to how you respond. Regarding passionflower, it's frequently offered as a supplement or tea. Before going to bed, a cup of passionflower tea can be calming. A typical dosage, if you'd rather take supplements, is about 400 milligrams. It's critical to keep to the recommended dosage listed on the product label or get medical advice. Always remember that regularity is the key to successful sleep, so consider including these herbs into your nightly plan on a regular basis. Conclusion. We've covered the use of herbs like passionflower and valerian as all-natural sleep aids. These alternatives should be taken into account because they can be beneficial without requiring artificial substances. But keep in mind that you should see a healthcare provider before making any changes to your sleep schedule. They will provide you with the best guidance depending on your health and needs. Thus, for a restful night's sleep, keep things simple, consider natural options, and see your doctor as needed. I want to know whether you have ever tried any natural sleep aids like passionflower or valerian as we wrap up today's video. Leave a comment below with any advice or experiences you may have. Please inquire if you need any information or if you have any questions. For trustworthy sources and further information to aid in your investigation into herbal sleep remedies, click the links in the description. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos if you enjoyed this one. I appreciate you viewing, and let's all get more sleep.